Hey there, welcome to AI and Data Insights. I'm Lydia, your guide through the fascinating world of AI and data. Today, we're diving into data mesh architecture on cloud for BI, data science, and process mining. The growth and convergence of applications in business intelligence, data science, and process mining are driven by several interconnected factors. Here's an exploration of these areas. Interconnected disciplines like data science and process mining. Data science and process mining are inherently interconnected. While data science focuses on extracting insights and knowledge from data, process mining specifically targets the analysis of business processes based on event logs. Both disciplines benefit from advances in each other. Integration of machine learning methods in business intelligence and process mining. Machine learning, ML, a subset of data science, has increasingly been integrated into BI and process mining. This integration enhances the capabilities of both fields, e.g., by detecting trends or anomalies in data or process patterns. Common data sources, BI, data science, and process mining often draw from the same pool of organizational data. This includes transaction logs, ERP systems, CRM systems, and other operational data sources. The integration of these disciplines leads to a more holistic understanding of the data. It helps in breaking down silos within an organization, promoting a culture where data is a central asset for decision-making across different domains. Central data models, particularly when used in a data mesh in the enterprise cloud, are highly beneficial for process mining, business intelligence, data science, and AI training. They offer consistency and standardization across data structures, improving data accuracy and integrity. This centralized approach streamlines data governance and management, enhancing efficiency. The scalability and flexibility provided by data mesh architectures on the cloud are very beneficial for handling large datasets, useful for all analytical applications. BI provides real-time data analysis and performance monitoring, while data science enables a deep dive into dependencies in data, with data mining and automates decision-making with predictive analytics and personalized customer experiences. Process mining offers process transparency, compliance insights, and process optimization. The integration of these technologies helps companies harness data for growth and efficiency. On the data mesh architecture, each application uses the same data storage but projected into own data, products, and applications. Data mesh is about the distribution of data to all analytical applications used in the whole organization. Data mesh, a modern architectural paradigm, can be instrumental in bringing separate applications together by promoting a more interconnected and efficient approach to data management. This approach is characterized by several key aspects. Decentralized data ownership. In a data mesh architecture, data ownership is decentralized and distributed across various domains within an organization. Each domain, like sales, marketing, production, etc., is responsible for its own data, including its quality, accessibility, and security. This decentralization enables domains to act as individual data product owners. Self-serve. Data infrastructure. Data mesh promotes the concept of a self-serve data infrastructure, enabling teams to access and use data without heavy reliance on central IT resources. This self-service model empowers teams to work with data more autonomously, reducing bottlenecks, cultural, governance, and technological aspects. Culturally, there needs to be a move towards treating data as a product, with emphasis on data democratization and cross-functional collaboration. From a governance perspective, although data ownership is decentralized, it's crucial to maintain coherent governance standards across the organization. This includes standardizing data formats, ensuring data quality, and complying with data privacy regulations. Technologically, adopting a data mesh involves integrating various technologies to support distributed data management, such as cloud platforms, data orchestration tools, and APIs for seamless data exchange among different applications. Data mesh, An innovative approach to data architecture and organizational design offers significant benefits in terms of data access, data products, and data sharing. With data mesh, we have decentralized ownership and improved accessibility. Data mesh promotes decentralized data ownership, allowing individual teams to manage and access their own data. This approach reduces bottlenecks that often occur in centralized systems. It furthermore enables product-oriented thinking for data. Data mesh treats data as a product, encouraging teams to design their data with the end user in mind. This leads to higher quality, more useful data outputs. Last but not least, data sharing is a key approach here. Data mesh facilitates collaboration between different domains or teams by providing a clear framework for sharing data across boundaries. As organizations grow, data mesh allows for scalable and flexible data sharing practices that can adapt to increasing volumes and complexity of data. So, if you want to establish your data mesh, have a look on the following combination. I hope this gives you the right kickoff to get started. An example of a data mesh created and managed by Datanomic for an organization which uses and reuses datasets from various data sources: ERP, CRM, DMS, IoT. While data mesh is a general approach, get in touch with consultancies like Datanomic in order to design your organizational concept, how data products will be built and distributed in your organization. 2. Microsoft Azure Cloud is the infrastructure as a service favored by many companies, especially for European industrial companies, due to its scalability, flexibility, and industry-specific solutions. 3. Databricks is an ideal tool for realizing a data mesh due to its unified data platform, scalability, and performance. It can be hosted on the Azure cloud as well as on Amazon Web Services or on the Google Cloud platform. No more need to hesitate, but plan your plan to establish data mesh for your company now. Thank you for watching our video. We hope it has enhanced your understanding of data mesh architecture on cloud for BI, data science, and process mining. Our channel is dedicated to bringing you the latest and most insightful content in the realms of AI and data. Interested in staying updated with our latest discoveries in AI and data? Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss out on any of our exciting content. Stay informed and ahead with AI and data insights.